Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to enter BIOS menu on this laptop. So to do that, simply power your PC on by pressing the power button and then repeatedly start pressing the F2 key until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. You can navigate in this menu either using your touchpad or your touch screen if you have one on your model, and if you want to go to more options, specifically to the ones you can change, go to advanced mode either by tapping right here or pressing F7. You can also switch to the boot menu if you press F8. You can reset defaults by pressing F9. You can save and exit pressing F10, and to exit without saving, just press escape and then click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.